I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on China Slim Tea reviews. This video will help you know whether this product China Slim Tea is legit or scam. If you have not ordered this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your question, should I buy the product or not? If you have experienced any fraud with the product, watch this video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before that, friends, let's find out some essential details about the product. Here you can see this is China Slim Tea Herbal Tea Delight. It is available in 72 tea bags, which you can see. This product is 100% natural and it is made from all herbs. It does not contain any caffeine. It's for both men and women. It offers you the extra strength you require for your workout. Now, how this slim tea actually works and how it helps you lose weight, all details I will discuss in this video. But before discussing these points and talking about the legitimacy checkpoints for the very product, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more informative videos for your assistance. Moving further, friends, as you all can see that this product is available in two different colors. Here you can see this is the original version and this is the limited edition. So both the products you can see have different price options. One you get at $7 and another is available at $17.99. So moving further, here you will see that some of the features of the product I'm going to discuss with you here. This is a natural herbal botanicals are used to make this product, and they have selected one of the nature's botanicals to bring this herbal tea to you. This product may and aid in the relief of occasional constipation as well. Now the direction and usage of the product is very simple. You have to pour a cup of hot water over one tea bag into a cup and let steep for 2 minutes. Do not over steep. Carefully remove the tea bag from hot water. Honey may be added to sweeten. Drink 1 cup after your evening meal. It is important not to have more than 1 cup in a 24-hour period for occasional use only. Now do not take for more than 10 days unless directed by the doctor, and this product is definitely not for the children, so make sure you keep it away from the reach of children. The reminder they have mentioned at the back of the tea bags is that due to the cleansing nature of this herbal tea, some users may experience the extra bowel movement, because as it will increase your metabolism rate and it will perform all its functions from the inside of your body. It will get all those extra toxins from your body out through the bowel movement, and then only you will be able to feel the weight loss. So this is very normal and they have already mentioned it in the back side of the product. Now if I talk about the specifications, the manufacturer belongs to Thailand. The item weight is 3.3 ounces and the package dimension is also given here. Now the total pack will contain 72 counts of tea bags. This is the original version. Moving further, friends, and talking about the customer reviews, you will be pleased to know that people have given this product a very good feedback. More than 70% of the people have shared their reviews and stated that they are happy with the product, and overall this product has received 4.4 out of 5-star rating on Amazon.com. But friends, I have researched the product well and find out that other websites have also shared the review for this tea, and there also people have commented and given 5-star rating to the product. So this product is really working. People have mentioned that it provides them warmth, it is value for money, and it has sheerness. Also here you can see the customer reviews where people have said that they are really happy with this product, and at the first they found that this product may not work as it is not easy to lose weight only through drinking tea, but yes, most of the people have lost around 15 pounds in 3 weeks. So this product is working on them. So friends, if you are looking for a weight loss solution, nothing can be simple and easy than having a green tea. So this herbal tea is a great option which you can go for. Friends, I will say that this product is 100% legit. Now if you are looking for the money back option, all you have to do is view the link which we have given in our description box. Make sure you view the link properly. Please comment your thoughts on this video, like this video, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you friends, have a nice day.